Hey guys, welcome back to another video. It's your man Jay, and iOttie was kind enough to send over their Easy One Touch Wireless 2, a wireless charging car mount that has a CD slot in here, and then also the air vent. And I'll use the air vent because I don't have a CD slot. As you can see here, for iPhones it's 7.5, for Android it's 10 watts, and it says specifically made for the Google Pixel. So we're gonna get this unboxed real quick here. Wow, looking good, looking good. And let's see what it's all about. Let's tear into this thing. All right, guys, so here's the device set up in the car. I've got it on the vent. In order to get your phone in there, you just squeeze right here and it'll go ahead and go in. And then you'll be able to get wireless charging going on in your car. So let's go ahead and get that done. Okay, guys, we are wirelessly charging inside the vehicle. This is going to be a nice addition to the car when I want to post up like this. Also, if I was going to use GPS, I have GPS on my vehicle, but if for some reason I didn't have GPS or you don't have GPS, you got a nice placeholder also for your phone so you can be hands-free. Remember, all your voice commands and everything will still work, linked to your car, however you have it set up. But this is how it's going to look in the vehicle with the vent. Now, again, I don't have a CD player. Most vehicles now don't have CD players that I've seen. But a couple of brackets and mounts and screws, and you're all locked into place, and you are good to go, folks. This is a really nice thing that iOttie is doing with the Team Pixel. So this is the mount. Very simple and straight to the point. Wanted to show you this in the vehicle as well, not just do some kind of unboxing real fast. Real world, this is how it's going to look. So you run your cables if you want to. I normally hide wires. When you're not using this, you can actually just unplug it from the back and just, when it's done charging and you want to leave it up here, just unplug it from the back and you got yourself a nice car holder or placeholder for your phone. You can shoot videos, whatever. This will work out perfectly fine. And it's up to you how you go forward with that. It's your man Jay. Hope you guys enjoyed iOttie. Shout out to iOttie for sending this over for review. I appreciate the love. And I'll see you guys in the next video. Take care. Team Pixel.